of the brand new Mario movie that just released a few days ago. We're gonna be reacting to him in an animation, but he's in zombie form and fighting Chainsaw Man. There's also a ton of other people in this video like Sonic.exe, Jason Voorhees, a lot of people. It's a giant compilation by BK Animix. I'll throw him up on the screen, and let's go ahead and do it, guys. Chainsaw Man, who is right here, versus Zombie Mario at some point. I don't know when. So y'all stick with me. Who are these guys? Also, we may have seen maybe one or two of these. Not this one for sure. But it's a compilation. You know what I'm saying, guys. By the way, that looked extra painful. By the way, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button for me. And then hit that bell so you don't miss a video. I appreciate everyone out there. Much love to you guys. Zombie Mario already. Here we go. Is this what Mario looks like in the new movie? Those growls were extra terrifying. Almost said terrific. He's teaming up with... Wait, what? Alright, the whole squad versus Zombie Mario and his zombie companions. You know what? I'm going for Mario. You know, like I said, the new Mario movie just came out. So I'm going for him. Let's go, Mario. Is that a fencer? Ooh! Okay, I think my pick is actually not gonna win, but... Oh, hold on. I take it back. I don't take it back. Zombie Mario, buddy, you gotta do something, man. He can spit fire? Ooh! Who is that guy? Does anybody know who this is right here? And is he strong at all? We're about to find out. No! Oh! You're just chewing on his noggin! What about Sonic.exe versus Zombie Mario, though? And Chainsaw Man? You cut off an arm. Oh, no. The team of Chainsaw Man and Sonic.exe Pure Savage. I mean, they're just too good, man. They're too good. And now we got Jeff the Killer, who was recently in the Roblox Doors game. I don't like him. I don't like him at all. You guys might have seen that on the streaming channel. Capi Live, if you haven't checked it out. We have a good time over there. That was a nice move, though. I'll give him that. I'm assuming that Chainsaw Man is still... well, he didn't die. What about Zombie Mario, though? Is he still alive? He was a zombie, so he should just be able to come back from the dead, right? We'll see later on. Ooh! I like how the animation turns and stuff like that. It makes it feel like more of a movie. You know what I'm saying? Ha-ha! Ha-ha! My boy showed up out of nowhere. Oh, ain't nobody gonna help you, Jeff the Killer. You're a killer, man. Oh, what was he just eating? Okay, this guy's back. So maybe everybody's still alive. Ouch! Yeah, I'm happy screaming too. Dang. My boy did 2 flips. What a kick. I hate the way he builds up that little scream and cry. Call of Duty Zombies. Okay, Jason Voorhees coming in nicely. What even are those things, by the way? They're just shadow monsters, maybe? Oh, no. Well, Jason's dead. Oh! Michael Myers said my friendly masked companion. Oh, my. Okay, SCP's getting disrespectful. I'd like to see Zombie Mario versus SCP. Maybe we get that a little later. You can stop yelling, buddy. Quit yelling. I got goosebumps from that. I don't know why. Got the Michael Myers theme song thing. And it's Jeff the Killer. Well. Oh, back of the head? Okay. Oh, he is flexible. I see you, Michael. My boy had his foot above his head. Can anybody else do that? Let me know in the comments, because me, I'd break my leg or my back. Ooh. Michael is nice. Jeff the Killers were getting absolutely disrespected in this video. Maybe things turn around for him. Oh, this might be the almighty Jeff. He seems like he's a little different. Okay. Where's this knife coming from? Ooh. He caught it? That was crazy right there. That was nice. Who was it, though?
It's showtime.
Chucky!
Hi.
Really, Chucky? Oh, and he hit SCP. He's back. SCP is back. You shouldn't have done that. Why was he looking at him like that? That was creepy.
How you've grown.
How you've grown. Oh, he's getting jumped. I like it. Take a seat, SCP. Take a seat for us. Yes, end it. Okay. I think you ended it.
Jesus.
Okay, my goodness. They didn't end it. After all that, he's still alive. Is it even possible to kill that man? I don't know if it is. Is that maskless Michael Myers? I don't know who that is. I think so. Ooh. Are we gonna see Chainsaw Man again? Okay, that's disrespectful. My goodness. We've seen a bunch of, like, horror characters, though. I like it. It's cool. It's interesting to see how they would fight, you know? Not an arm. Yes, an arm. And he took the other knife, too. Why not? Why not use them both? A machete and a knife. Who is that? Is that supposed to be like a monster from Bendy and the Ink Machine or something? He's got a mask on. I don't know. Yes, it is. Because that's the ink monster, right? SCP. Let him cry in his corner, bro. Everybody keeps bugging SCP. My man is quick with it. My man is extra quick. That was the ink monster, right? Is it called something different? That right there? Ooh, Sands! Let's go! Now that I actually know who that is. I actually haven't seen any of these videos. This is cool. This is all news to me. He hit him with a bone. You could have sharpened it. Sands is getting disrespected. He shouldn't be getting disrespected. He's nice. He's nice with it. Oh, yep, there we go, just like that. Easy money. Tell them about it, Sands. Let's go. What are you doing? Okay. I was about to say, hold up now. Hold up. He just did some crazy stuff. I don't know what just happened. But I guess he winced about a pyramid head. Where did he come from? He wasn't even in the title. My boy turned into some bugs. More horror characters. I still got Sands. I still got Sands. After what I just seen. Wait a minute. There we go. Another blast. Gotta hit him with that beam. Is that that's Godzilla. Atomic breath. Y'all hear that? All right, well, that guy's dead. We got 2 more people. He's too good. He's too good. knew Sans was gonna win this, bro. We knew. Unless somebody sneaks up on him. He's gonna win. Every time. Penny? Off the rip. Okay, I thought he was dead already. Multiples. Sending him up in the... He said help! Pennywise got ultra disrespected, bro. Ultra. Who is that?
You
Pinhead.
open the box.
Oh! I thought Penny was dead, man. Oh, that growl. Is that sand still? What is that now? Oh, they brought the backup. The backup's backup. Destroyed.
You open the box.
Ugh. Oh no. That growl noise, bro, it's sketching me out. He took his head off. His whole head. The entire noggin. He's still alive. Now he's a floating head. We gonna scratch a skull? He didn't. He rolled him. Can he even do anything? The answer was yes. He can, I guess. Oh, he put his head back on. Yep, he did. That's crazy. And it's just Cartoon Cat by himself. But he's sized up, though, okay. Who do y'all got? Cartoon Cat's dead. It was that easy. And a beam? Oh, it's the dog now. What the dog doing? He's taking his head off again. Ooh! Okay. Godzilla! That's Cartoon Dog. That's not Godzilla. I guess that works, though. Okay. Whatever works, you know what I'm saying? Who is this, Predator? Alien versus Predator? No, it is Predator versus...
Showtime!
Chucky. Over. Wrap it up. Wrap it up right now. I wasn't being serious. He was being serious, though. All right, well, Chucky, I'm sorry. Was that Huggy Wuggy? It was. He threw Chucky at him. He was just trying to leave. You should have let him leave, man. Ugh. That's a weird-looking Huggy Wuggy. Is he going to be able to defeat him, though? Let's see. Ooh. That was a nice little sword spin. It looked nice. Not again. Not again with the gun. And the sword. Huggy, you should have just stayed away, guys. That is the end of the video. Thank you all for watching with me. I will see you tomorrow. I love ya. Goodbye.